Today I am going to show you how much I earned as AdSense revenue from YouTube for an inconsistent channel. This particular channel I was doing because of my passion. I wasn't consistent that much. Actually, I uploaded videos when I felt like uploading. However, I was able to monetize my channel within 8 months. That means reaching the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. So let me show you my upload schedule. Actually, I started my channel on May 17th, 2021. So you can see for the first few months, I was very consistent. I was uploading the videos on a consistent basis. Afterwards, I have uploaded only one video. So this is the upload schedule for the year 2021. Let's move to the 2022. For the entire year 2022, I have uploaded only two videos actually. So you can see how consistent that I am. Now let's see for the year 2023. So here also for the first few months, I wasn't that much consistent. Afterwards, I have uploaded certain videos here and there, but not in a consistent basis. Now let's see the views that I got every month from the day that I started the channel. That means May 2021. In the month of May, 605 views, and it has increased gradually. Now I am approximately getting, so you can see my views. Currently, I am approximately getting 6 to 7,000 views every month. Now let's look at my revenue figures. As I told you, I got monetized after 8 months. Actually, I got monetized in 2022 January. So you can see for the year 2022, for the entire year, I have generated a revenue of 31.25. Now let's look at the year 2023. For the year 2023, that means till the day that I am recording, this is the month of October. So till the month of October, I have generated a revenue of 38.57. That means from 2022 January to 2023 October, within like 1 year and 10 months, I have generated a total revenue of $69.82. So that is the total revenue that I have generated from this particular channel. So $69.82 divided from approximately 22 months. So for a month on average, I have generated revenue of $3.17. So here you can see the revenue that I have generated for the last 6 months. The maximum revenue that I generated, it is $5.77. So on average monthly, I am generating $3 to $5 from the YouTube AdSense revenue. This is for a monthly view count of 6 to 7,000. Now you don't get demotivated by looking at my statistics. Why my statistics are so low? Because of three reasons. First reason is I was not consistent. I was uploading when I felt like uploading. That is the first reason. The second reason is my target audience. My target audience 97% is from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is having a very low RPM and CPM. And the third one, my audience age. The most of the audience is from 16 to 24. I would say 76% of the audience is age between 16 to 24. So they have a very less spending capacity. So these are certain reasons why that I am generating very low level of income. But if you are consistent and if you are doing a proper job, if you are giving a real value to the viewer, believe me, you will be able to crack the code.